Well, look what happened here overnight, boys. I'm having a wonderful winter in Maine. Look at this. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Look at this. Wow. I'm going to go out and take some footage of the dogs in the snow so that you can see. There's snow is falling. This is supposed to keep up until early afternoon, and then it's going to stop for a while, and then it's going to start back up again in earnest tomorrow or Wednesday maybe, and then we're going in for a deep freeze. So there you go. Look at the bird feeder. Ah, my oh my. It looks like about 8 inches to me. All right, I'm going to stop and then start back up again.